Hello, in this short tutorial video, we're going to have a look at how you can create a bar chart in Excel. And this has been designed to support the Barefoot Explorers Level 1 lesson for using data. So earlier in the lesson, the children will have created a pictogram showing their favorite choice of healthy snack. And then towards the end, we ask them to identify the patterns in a different set of data. So this one has got over 250 entries. So if we looking through, we've got two columns: pupil number, snack choice, and hopefully when they're seeing running down, scrolling down to the 250th entry, which is the last one, that it's not going to be as easy for them to create that pictogram to represent this data, and they are not going to be able to identify any patterns just by looking at the data in this table form. So what we're going to do is use the computer to generate a graph for us. So the first thing I need to do here is enable editing, because I've downloaded this file from the Barefoot website. Just do that. All right, and now it gives me more functionality. So I'm going to start off by going to the top, and what I want to do is select the two columns with the data in. So I can either start in cell A1, hold and drag all the way down to B250. I'm just going to hold shift. I've clicked on A, hold shift, clicked on B, and it's selected all the data in both of those columns. The next thing for me to do is go to Insert in the menu at the top. And from the Insert menu, I'm going to go to Recommended Charts, which is here. So I'll click on that, and it suggests some charts for me. The first one is the one that I want, clustered column. So selected in green there, shown in the middle. OK. And now it's created. It's added a new sheet to the workbook, and I have this graph, which I am going to resize. Close off this column on the right-hand side. And there we are, nice and large, so the children can see the patterns much easily. We can talk about how technology was used there to support us, to enable us to do something quicker, to do something in a different way. And then you can ask the same questions of the children to allow them to identify the patterns in the data.